Hi, Don here at snapitupcanada.com, and wow, would you look at this thing. ELMO ST800. Beautiful projector. Just like brand spanking new. It's in the box, it's got everything. But you'll see that when you look at the pictures. What you're really interested in is how does it work? Well, why don't we find out. Sounds good. Let's do it on the screen.
Now remember what I said, Elliot. Come on.
ELMO ST800. Beautiful projector. Superb condition. Just beautiful top to bottom. With sound, of course. Well, you heard that. Don again, snapitupcanada.com, and thanks for looking.